How to change language on Crave App 2025. Follow these instructions. Open the Crave app on your device and log into your account so you can access your settings and preferences. From the home screen, tap your profile icon or go to the Settings menu to view account and playback options. Scroll down to the Language or Audio and Subtitles section to see available language customization features. Select your preferred display language for menus, navigation, and overall app interface text. For playback, choose your desired audio language from the list to change the spoken language in shows or movies. Adjust subtitle language settings to match your audio choice, or select a different one for accessibility. Save your changes and restart playback to enjoy Crave content in your chosen language for a fully personalized experience. Thank you for watching.